How to show up online? How can you place online orders successfully? Hello world and welcome everyone. My name is Shamsher Ali from Bitlinks Tech. Other than a running software house, we create videos for technical and non-technical people to understand about technology and software. In this video, we are going to take example of any random website to show you how you can place online order. Sometimes it's difficult to manage your daily life and you are unable to shop physically. So you need to do online shopping, but sometimes you have some confusion. Maybe you will not be able to successfully place your order and how you will receive that. In this video, we are going to show you all about in just a quick moment. So stay tuned and I'm going to jump into my computer. Alright guys, right now we are here in our desktop where we are going to take example using a browser. Similar process is in mobile device as well, or using an application. So if you will follow this process, you will be able to even place order in desktop version and also in the mobile device as well. So in this video, I'm going to take example with this browser. You can use any of your browser which you like and type online shopping or anything like that or similar, whatever you want. If you're looking for clothes or any home appliances, you can write here in the search bar, because this is a search bar. So you can check here whichever the best website you know, and you can try anyone and simply click on it, and then you can start shopping with them. I will show you everything in it with the basic informations which will help you. I have already opened here some of the websites. This one is Amazon website. You can check. I will put all the websites link in the description below. And here you can see AliExpress and you can check it by yourself. Then we have example for the Walmart. This is also another shopping website, Walmart. And here we are going to take example of our own created website. This one created by Bitlinks Tech. And we are going to take example on this website. So here you can see this part is basically header, what we call it header. This one is slider. You can click here, check the next slider. Here you can see the categories, whichever you are looking for. Here you can see the navigation bar. You can check whatever you are looking for, and also you can search here as well for your product. And this one, what we call is shopping cart. So here you can see different options: on sale, new product, best sellers, or whatever you're looking for. And here you can see main category for the personal care. You can see all of the products here. Then there is another category, third category, and fourth category, and ups on. Whichever product you're looking for, you can get there. This one is footer, and here you can see the contact informations and their social media links and important pages about them and the footer credits. And you can see here created and powered by Bitlinks Tech. So guys, let's start with it while placing an order. For example, if I want any home appliances, whatever you're looking for, you can get. And also guys, here I would like to share with you, every website and their design and their information are going to be different from website to website. It varies. So for example, I want these bulbs. Okay, I will simply click on it, and once I will click on that, it will give me all the details: their title, their price, and their discounted price, and their tags, their information, and all about them. So what I will do, I will add total 5. Let's say I need 5. I can add. Then I can compare the product. I can even print that if I want, like this. If I want to send this to my friend while email, you can click on it, or you have different options. It varies. And their reviews, if anyone given the reviews and all the details relevant product, you can see all the details here. And these are the tags relevant to the products and their special products categories, then testimonials given by the other clients to their website owners and the website, their products. And here I'm going to do add product, which is important, how you can place order. I clicked on the add product. Once I clicked on that, you can see that one was the shopping cart and my product is added in the shopping cart. So what I will do is, even I can view my cart from here as well, and from here as well I can go to checkout. View cart mean is if you want to add more product or more things in it, you can do that. If you have any um, coupon code, or if you have any promo code, you can put there and they will give you discount. So it's up to the code. Now let's say I want 7 product. Now I'm going to click on the update. So guys, every step is not important. I'm just sharing with you the important details, what exactly normally people do. So here I will click on the proceed. Even you can proceed from here as well, but I will proceed from here. Let's do that. And once I will do that, it will route me to the checkout page. And you can check here as well. This one is a checkout page. And here you can put all of the details. If you're an existing customer, you already purchased anything from them, then you can log in simply from here. If you have any coupon code, you can click here and you can apply that. Or if you are using that first time, you can write your details here in the contact form, and that would be the order placement. So let's say I put here my details as a dummy details, for example. Here my name, company name optional. Let's put here my own company name. Then let's do the same country. Then here you can put your city name. Then you can put your province name or whatever information they required. And you can put here your mobile number or any device, any landline number, whichever you want to provide. Then your email address, which is going to be optional, but I would like to mention here because I want them to send the details of my order at my email address. And here after that, you have last step. You can check here once again your order. You can review that, and they have only cash on delivery option. Most of the website offer cash on delivery, but sometimes they collect money even via online payment using credit card or debit card. You can pay through the multiple options, and then you can simply press on this button, which is place order. Once you will do that, it will once again will show you your order number and all the relevant informations, and also you will receive email relevant to this order at your given email address. So they said that order is received, thank you, order has been placed successfully. This is your order number, date, total amount, and your payment process, and all of your details relevant to the order details. Now let me show you the order which you received in your email address. All right guys, so here you can see you received a notification, and then you received your email which says that your order is placed successfully. So let's click on it, and let me just do that some bigger, and I just double clicked on it. Here it is your invoice which you received. Thank you for your order. And here is your name, then their details, your order number, your date when you place the order, product, quantity, price, and your total here, and then your billing address. Even you can put your billing address different if you're ordering for someone else, and their website link, then powered by Bitlinks Tech. I hope that you liked our video, and guys, if you like our video, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So whenever we will upload any video, you will get notification first. If you have any question or query while placing online order, you can simply comment below. We will try our best to help you as soon as possible. We will put our contact links in the description below. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.